So today, what we're going to talk about is copywriting. And basically, what copywriting is basically writing a promotional content to advertise or market your brand or business. So basically, you just creating content, written content to promote and advertise and market your brand or business. So the basics of copywriting is this. And that could be anything that's written. That could be a blog post. That could be a comment. That could be a caption. That could be graphics. That can be emails. That could be a sales funnel. Anything where you have written comment promoting your brand or business. Okay. But the basis of it is, and most importantly, especially for me, I have a pet peeve for typos. But the most important thing is spelling and grammar. If that's something you struggle with, I highly recommend that you get somebody to proofread and edit your copyright content. For me, spelling is not an issue for me, but for me personally, I struggle with grammar. So what I do, I get my oldest daughter, Desiree, to proofread and edit my copyright content for me to make sure I'm grammatically correct. Because to me, that's important. I know a lot of times, with the world of texting and abbreviations now that we're in, a lot of people don't type in full sentences anymore or communicate in full sentences anymore. But for me personally, that if you take the time to edit and proofread your content, to me that's a reflection of I guess what's the word, like quality, or what you value. You value putting your best foot forward, basically. So to me, that says a lot. Now that's not important to every buyer or to every customer, but you may have that one customer or a few that's important to them, and it may be a turnoff to them if they see a typo or grammatical error. So that's why I always advise people to always do spelling and grammar check. Okay, the next thing, when you do any copywriting, always include a link in your comments, a link that'll lead back to your website, a link that'll lead back to your service. Whatever you're promoting or advertising, always include a link in the content directing the customer to your service or to your product. If it's on Facebook or any other social media platform that allows you to tag your brand or your business, always tag your brand or business as well, whether it's your business page or your Facebook page, whatever you're advertising, you're promoting. If you're able to tag it, always tag it, and also always include a link. Because the thing is, y'all, people are lazy. I'm gonna just be honest. A lot of people aren't going to take the time to go and look and search for your link, like just including your name in the content is sufficient, but it'd be even better if you tag your page or you tag your product in the context. Because that way, all people have to do is just click on it and it lead them directly to where they need to go. They won't have to search for it. They won't have to look for it. So the likelihood of that customer finding you is very high when you do that. The third thing is be short and to the point. People also have short attention spans. A lot of people are busy or are multitasking when they're on social media, so they like to get content quick and fast. So try to be quick and fast and straight to the point when you posting content on social media, especially with captions. And like if you posting something in a comment in response to something like that, Also, in every comment or post or caption you make, try to highlight your brand sweet spot. We talked about sweet spot last week, in identifying your strategic sweet spot. So try to include something relating to your sweet spot in that content, okay? And number 5, be ready. When I say be ready, always be ready. For me personally, I have a short bio already typed up. I have my social media links in my notes in my phone. Like I said, I have a short bio already typed up in my phone. I have other content and quick information already in my phone. So if somebody asks me anything or I have to share anything, all I have to do is just copy and paste. I don't have to keep recreating the content. So that way I just simply copy and paste it. I get the information to the person quickly and fast. Okay, so be ready.